Hello everyone! How are you? Good? Great! I'm teacher Islane and I'm here to teach you how to make binoculars of paper. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. So, to make our binoculars, we will need 2 toilet paper tubes, glue, scissors, a piece of ribbon or string, and some colored papers. Take the toilet paper tube and glue the colored paper around it. Cut the remaining paper and glue it inside the tube. Cut small pieces of paper and use them to give some fun details, or decorate it however you want. Repeat that with the other one. To put the 2 tubes together, you can use some glue, tape, or even a stapler. I'm gonna use a stapler. After that, use a piece of ribbon or string and glue it outside of the tube. Then, use another piece of paper and glue it on the ribbon. Here you have our binoculars. They look really cool. Now use them to look and for wild animals in the jungle. Don't forget to subscribe. See you!